And look at the snow. Last night, down it came. A lot of snow. Ooh, there's the plow. Good thing he's going through. No cars have gone down this road today, but now they can.
There's the first truck going.
Rough in there too, so you'll have to take your time. Yep.
Put a centimeter overnight, just enough to make the roads white in some of my roads, so I'm going to put a little salt on and clear the roads. Before we get there. I'm up in the higher country now and a little bit of snow down, but mostly melted off the wheel tracks. There's probably 2 or 3 centimeters. Almost at the end of my run and the snow's a little deeper out here. It's probably 4 centimeters on the ground. You put my weight down. Up to my turnaround spot. See the other truck from Sheet Harbor was already here. I just came up here 10 minutes ago. Just dropped the blade to scrape off a little bit of snow, and I salted, and you can see the salt and the brine's working already. So I don't think much to clean the roads today. So I just came out this road about half an hour ago and did a little scraping where the snow's between the tire tracks, put the salt down, so you can see it bared right off. So up to 0 degrees, so it's warming up, and yeah, I'll still put some salt down, get the snow off the road. That'll help dry the road, and if it freezes tonight, it won't be turning to ice. I'll have to call someone out. done for the day. I decided to help Mike out this last road. Spun out, slid down the hill backwards. They wouldn't caught me coming in the road. So now I'm waiting for a wrecker. Yeah, she's a heavy wet snow. I'm gonna check my taillights, make sure they're cleaned off. Hard to keep them clean, those LED lights. They don't melt the snow like the old lights. Not too bad. You're gonna see a lot of trees across the road in the morning. They're all starting to lean over now because that snow is so heavy and wet, it's just sticking. You see them right over there hanging. So it's 3:30 in the morning. I'm just heading back to the shed. I'm almost out of salt. I'm gonna load up with brine, put a load of salt on, and call her a night. The 5 o'clock shift can take over and finish it off. Kind of a slow night, just snowed enough to keep the roads white. Load up for the next shift and go home and get some sleep. So I'm back to base. I'm just loading up with brine, getting ready for the next shift. He's empty. Good time. my run, I just hit my first road there. I got the plow moving the wing down, putting salt out. There's probably 3 or 4 inches of snow come down already. It's come down pretty heavy, and it should make for a good night of plowing anyways. I'm about 30 miles from the base, on the way out to the county line. It'll be snowing quite heavy now. It's just pissing down rain, a little bit of slush on the road. It's ready to change. County line, my turnaround spot, and it's pissing down rain. When I left the base, there was a blinding snowstorm and quite a bit of snow on the road. We haven't just started, but now it hasn't changed out here yet. It's just pissing down rain, and I'm sure it'll be snowing before long. So I just put a little salt down and turn around, head back. Just on my way back in town now. Turned around 3 miles ago, and now I'm starting to get back into the blizzard. Snow, the rain starting to turn to snow. It's going to be pretty hard to see once it turns all the way to snow, because it's just so heavy. Just a whiteout. See where you're going. Figure it's good and slow tonight.
Are you finding enough snow now? Yeah, I got lots now. How about you? I'm going up the Falls Mountain here right now, and it's coming over the front blade. Yeah, I don't have that much, but that's quite a bit. I'm getting a lot of ice pellets now. How about you guys? I'm getting real fine stuff up here right now.
Go ahead.
Where was the ambulance at?
They said they were at exit 26 on the Sherbrooke Road on the Highway 104. So I don't know if they're up on the highway or if they're near a ramp.
Pushing. Hard to see and hard to push. Love it. Well, that was a fun night. A little hairy by times, but we got her done. Only got stuck once, but I got her out with a little bit of salt under the wheel, so good night overall, I guess. Way back, we'll fuel up and get her ready for the next shift. Well, I'm all done for another night. Just filling up for some brine on for the next shift. We'll put a load of salt on, stick it in the shop, and clean some of the ice out of the radiator. The grill. Fan seems to be running a lot tonight. Clean that out. So it's now 20 to 7. There's a little bit of flakes in the air right now. Roads were not bad shape all the way out. They were plowed earlier and stopped snowing for a while, I would say, but there was only a couple inches down. It's around 1 degree now and kind of damp feeling. So they said up to 15 to 20 centimeters today. And a bit of rain and ice pellets and stuff, so we'll see what happens. Pretty damp feeling. I think we're gonna get some rain before the day's out. Kind of a mix of weather today, I would say. Typical Nova Scotia weather. Just a whole load of salt. And a couple 100 liters of brine left over. The snow is coming pretty fast now. It's go down the road. I just came by here. The road was black, and now you can see it's whitening over already. I was just by here 15 minutes ago. I'm just getting out to stretch my legs. Move around, take a walk around the truck. Make sure nothing's broken or hanging off. Clean off my tail lights. My flashers. Like to be seen out here. See a couple chains broken on my wing. Else out of place. Those chains are there. There's a spring here, and if it ever comes apart, those chains puts a hole together. But get them welded on next time I'm in the shop. And the wheels falling off. Everything looks good. Yeah, it's going to be a long day chasing this. So I like to get out and stretch once in a while. I can stay on the ball. It's getting a little tired. Just driving all the time, so there's another light. I can barely reach it. So yeah, it's good practice to just get out and take a look around, get some fresh air, wake up. You're on the ball. I got another 7 hours to go. Should be fun. To be seen when you're on the road. I just wish people, when they're out driving in weather like this, would turn on their headlights so they can be seen a little easier. Anyone who's out there driving, please put your headlights on when it's raining or snowing. It's just a lot safer. So I'm back out the county line at my turnaround spot and just let out the stretch, clean some lights off, take a look to see if anything's broken or out of place. Been snowing pretty good the last few hours. You can see I just plowed there a few minutes ago. I stopped and had my sandwich. And the road's already white already, all over again. I just stopped and had my lunch here. The road was black when I plowed it, it's white again. Everything looks to be pretty good shape. Keep an eye on the pins and bushings and chains and whatnot. Full of slush and freezing. I'll have to clean that out when I get back to base. Supposed to be getting warmer, so see if I can get it clean now. Yeah, when I get back to the shop, I'll take the pressure washer, hot water pressure washer, and clean that grill out so it doesn't start overheating. Oh, I got a bird out fog light. That just happened today. Found snow now. I'm not putting any salt down unless it's a steep hill or a bad turn or something, but not much use because it's just getting covered up right away. It must be, I don't know, probably 8 inches of snow down already. Traffic on this road. Head back to town. Heavy and wet now, the snow. It's supposed to turn to rain any minute now. It feels pretty damp now. It's supposed to be turning to rain at 3 o'clock. It's almost 3 o'clock now. I heard one of the other guys in another area say the snowflakes were as big as pie plates. So that means it's getting wet and starting to stick together. And yeah, then it's going to get real greasy and real hard pushing. You can might have chains on. See why the snow is coming up over the windshield. Don't have a high enough blade for this stuff. Grill cleaned out, getting it out and starting to freeze. Big drift right here. I just come along, there's a car stuck in the ditch. We're in the middle of the road in the drift, so just widened it out for him a bit. And now I'm just gonna make a pass through. I think he's gonna turn around and come this way.
Okay, go ahead.
But it's, yeah, you can hear the rain starting now, the freezing rain. It's dirty now. Half hour on this shift. Another guy's road. The road's a sheet of ice. Just stood across the road in the ditch from this 30. Put some salt under the wheels and see if I can back out of this. Once, put my chains on, got moving now down the road. Slid across the road into the ditch again. Skating rink out here. down around the wheels. I'm going to shovel up the front wheel and I should be able to back out of it. But slid off the road again. Another 2 miles down the road. Every time I come to a turn and the road sloped, I just want to slide for the ditch. Luckily I keep my wing out and it catch me from going in a little deeper. What a pain in the ass. Most I ever went off the road one day. I guess it's burned out too. Doesn't like this cold weather and snow. Whew, get all this snow. And so, shutting down the road.
So they said it was supposed to be shut off an hour ago. Okay, I'll see what I can do. I gotta get a hold of Louis, but he's out of the truck. Yeah, Glenn, upper leg is all good.
Copy that.
Onto a road that has no markers. I got off on the shoulder. Now I'm stuck. Waiting for a fucking dog truck. there. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and watch for more videos in the coming weeks. Stay safe on the roads. Thanks for watching.